Hey everybody, welcome to Car City Inc. I'm just very proud to introduce you our beautiful new arrival directly from Japan. This is 1998 Nissan Fairlady Z. Beautiful looking coupe, guys. It just came in from Japan, right-hand drive. It's got 104,000 kilometers, which is like 64,000 miles. Beautiful, super nice looking body in a great shape. This is a fourth generation Fairlady Z with a T-bar removable glass top. So it's pretty much a convertible with a hardtop glass. Twin turbo Fairlady Z. Beautiful looking vehicle. Body looks amazingly clean for 98. I mean, super nice, very well kept and maintained. So it's got 104,000 miles, guys. On 100,000, the timing belt has been replaced on it. I'll show you the sticker under the hood. It runs and drives great. There is no any warning lights on. It is super nice and clean unit, guys. Let's take a peek inside. It looks amazing on the interior as well. We have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Look at this beautiful interior. How well it kept. All seats, leather, everything is original. Super nice and clean. Automatic headlights. Fob with the key. 104,000 kilometers. As I said, it's like 64,000 miles. Right-hand drive. Automatic transmission. AM, FM. It's still got a CD and tape. Power mirrors. Look at this beautiful dashboard. Super nice and clean. Look at the steering wheel. It's in a great shape all around. And let's take a peek on the back seat. Nice and clean as well. In a great shape. Non-smoking, guys. No odors inside. And as I said, it's got a removable T-bar glass roof. Alright. Let me go ahead and show you the trunk. Let me see. I think I have to open it still with the remote. Give me 1 second here. Then remove the key. It's got an original floor mat. The radio antenna goes automatically up and down. All right. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. Gotta use the key to open it up. There you go. Original floor mats. Fairlady Z. Beautiful unit. Super nice and clean. And I'd like you guys to go ahead and show you under the hood as well. We can probably start the vehicle. All right. Alloy wheels in a great shape. Look at these beautiful tires. Wow. Yeah, let me open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. Look at that. Such a nice and clean unit. There you go. Super nice under the hood as well. In a great shape, rust free. It's got a Nissan twin cam V6 engine with a 3.0 liter twin turbo. Timing belt, guys, has been replaced on 100,000 kilometers, which is about 60,000 miles, so about 4,000 miles ago. Yes, if you guys asking if it's illegal to drive right-hand drive vehicle in the United States, yes, it is legal. And yes, you can register it with no problems. We're gonna give you an Illinois title, because when we're importing these vehicles, we're getting an Illinois title for you. So no worries about that. You're gonna register it to any state, and it's legal to drive it in any state in the United States. If you guys have any questions, please call us 847-496-4250. For more Japanese inventory, click on carcitychicago.com, our website, and click on JDM inventory special. You will find all these vehicles, what we recently received, and we will be receiving more of these beautiful sports cars, minivans, SUVs directly from Japan. Any questions, call us 847-496-4250. Our website carcitychicago.com, click on JDM inventory special, or just carcitychicago.com to check out our domestic inventory, not imported from Japan. Any questions, call us or visit our store. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.